Well, guys, imagine my good fortune. Travels with Dottie here, and the Lucky Shoe Bar and Grill is open. And I've been coming here 2 summers, and this is the first time there's been a confluence of me being hungry and the Lucky Shoe being open. So we're going to check it out, see what it's like. And when we go in here in a minute, I'm going to shut it off because I need to ask for permission to film inside and do a review. See, there's outdoor seating here, right back there. And we're going to go in here, but I'm going to shut it off for just a minute. So we did get permission, and this is what it looks like in here. It's really neat. I've never been in here before. It's got a really great pool table here. Check this out. There's no one else here. I caught them just when they were opening. And I see a foosball table, checkers, air hockey, lots of room. And lots of interesting things. Hopefully I'll be able to edit that music out so I don't get a copyright strike. So I would say so far the vibe here is excellent. And we'll take a look at the menu. I'll show you the menu and I'll order something and we'll enjoy it together. Okay, this is the menu. Hopefully you can see it. It's hard with this gimbal to get a straight on shot. Let me try it a little different. Let me try it like this. Maybe you can see it a little better there. And here's the other side of the menu. And the trick is, this is liquor and beer on the back side. But the trick is to freeze this on your phone or your tablet or your PC to read the menu. Looking, they have starters, lighter fare, sandwiches, dinners. Looks at ribeye steak, chicken fried steak, chicken fried chicken, fried shrimp, apple pie for dessert. There's burgers, chicken sandwich. I think I'm probably going to go with the chicken sandwich. I haven't had a good chicken. Wild side burger, bison, or elk. Wow. That's great. And for the starters, they have wings, bone-in, chicken tenders, finger basket, bottle caps. And those must be, I think, mushrooms. Cheese sticks, bowl of green chili stew, chips, salsa, queso, fried mushrooms, zucchini, French fries or onion rings, and taquitos. And the lighter fare is large salad deluxe, the Caesar, dinner salad, the classic burger, chicken sandwich, traditional BLT, chicken fried steak sandwich, wild side burger, bison or elk. I'll let you know you'll see what I get when I get it. Okay, so here we are with the grilled chicken sandwich with Swiss cheese, chips, and they gave me a big old basket of mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup, as much as you could possibly want. And there's fixins here. There's so we have onions, lettuce, pickles, a little wedge of orange. And here we go. We're gonna do a little fixing up and a little taste test. What do you think? So I think I'll put a tomato and some couple of onions, a little bit of lettuce. We'll do one of these those mayo packets. Put everything back together here, and we'll give it the taste test. His chicken breast was perfectly cooked. Not overcooked, not undercooked, just moist, even color all the way through, juicy, flavorful. I highly recommend it. And my bet is the burgers are probably just as good. So I just looked up the hours for the Lucky Shoe are Thursday through Sunday, 4 p.m. or actually, let me rephrase. Thursday and Friday, 4 to 9 p.m., Saturday, 4 to 9, and then the exception is Sunday, which is 4 to 7. But this is definitely not a breakfast or lunch place. This is your place for dinner or supper. I highly recommend it. The Lucky Shoe, right on the main drag here in Eagle Nest with a nice view of the lake. Take care, and thanks for watching Travels with Dottie. Yeah.